Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this miniature Dyson vacuum we got for our toddler. In this video, I'm going to show you how this vacuum works, talk about some of the things I like about it, and also talk about one important thing I think you guys should know before buying. So this right here is the size of the vacuum. I think this is a perfect size for toddler. My baby is almost 2 years old and she has no issues holding this vacuum. The area right here where they put their tiny little hand is also perfect. My baby is able to put her hands here, no problem. The button to turn it on, which is this one, is also very soft. So she doesn't need to put a lot of pressure to turn it on. Very simple to comprehend how to use this little vacuum. The colors are amazing, just like the Dyson. It's very, very similar to the Dyson, the original Dyson vacuum. I love how it comes with these attachments. Let me show you. So you can just detach this part and then put this one right here. And then they can use the hand one. Pretty cute. And they also have the option, you can detach this part, connect to this, just like the real thing. Another cool thing about this little vacuum, so when your baby moves it on the floor, this looks like it's cleaning the floor, even though it's not, but it looks like it's cleaning the floor just like the real Dyson. Look, very cool. And yeah, you can compare it to my hand and see the size of it. Like I said, you can buy this for a little toddler. Like my daughter is going to be 2 years old, but this can also be a toy for an older toddler, an old kid. I'd say like 5 to 6 years old. Yeah, the size is just perfect for gifting, for really any kids of any age. And here is a footage of my daughter playing with this little Dyson vacuum. She's, like I said, she's obsessed. And especially when I am vacuuming the house, she likes going around with her little vacuum to kind of help me around. So yeah, pretty cool toy. But anyway, highly recommend it. Love this. Right here on this side, you have the Dyson logo. And yeah, this is worth every penny.